Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Tabitha Yount, the owner of Elegant Living. Come on here and tell me hello and tell me what you guys are doing on this fabulous Monday. I'm going to tell you, come on here. I love to see where you guys are coming from. So if this is the first time you've been here, welcome. And if this is, because we have so many new faces around here. So if this is the first time, hello and welcome. But come in here and tell me where you guys are coming in from and where you're watching. Okay, we have a big announcement. Lexi's not here with me, but I wanted to get this big announcement out because we have some exciting news. We are going to have a fall workshop. Yes, a fall workshop. But before I start telling you what's in the fall workshop, it's a free workshop. Before I start doing that, I'm going to tell you one announcement. I want to make sure that you guys are sharing, and commenting, because at the end of each month, on the last Friday of every month, we are going to have a winner, and we're so excited about that. That's like one of our biggest things, because we are going to give a $50 gift card. We've been doing it the last 2 months, a $50 gift card to Hobby Lobby. So if you like, share, and comment, the person that does that the most, Facebook, the algorithm tells us who is doing that, and everybody is absolutely loving this. So we are going to be doing that again. So once again, make sure you share and like and all the things with our friends. Okay, what our big announcement is we're having a free fall workshop. So if you love our page, you love seeing all the beautiful things that we do, you're going to want to get into this free workshop. The link is at the top or bottom. Either way, get in there, you'll see the link. All you have to do is hit the link and it'll take you right to the workshop, and then you just basically accept it, I believe, and you'll be in the workshop. So we want to see all of your beautiful faces in there, because we are going to go live in there. And once we get everybody in there, we're going to give you guys a schedule and all the things. But I want to tell you, it starts September 24th through the 26th. 3 days of wonderful, fabulous decorating, which we all love to do for fall. So if you are wanting to do that and you love our page here and you love all the things that we show and you want to see more of us, then go over there and get into the fall free workshop, okay? Okay, number one, first day that we're going to talk about is front doors, first impression. Oh my gosh, guys, everybody loves this time of year, because let's be honest, we need a refresh, we need an overhaul on our outside, and that's the first thing that people see. So we really want to tell you guys to go in there and start doing this, to get in there so that you guys can show us what your front porches look like. Biggest thing that we're going to do is just the front door, how you can make over your front door. So this is not a front porch makeover, it's a front door makeover. And what I mean by that is we've done front porches and things like that, but this, if you have a front door, which I know all of you guys do, you'll be able to take something from that. We're going to show you different ways that you can decorate your front porch for fall, and how that can take you, whether you have a covered porch or no covered porch. We're going to show you how to do that. So we're so excited. And we're going to also give you links to what we show you guys, so that you can incorporate things in there, whether it's from our boutique, whether it's from Amazon, or all the different things. We're going to show you all the links and how to incorporate exactly what we show you. So you're not going to want to miss this. I'm not kidding you. These are like some of my very favorite things to do for you guys for free, is the workshop. So that's the number one, first impressions, front door. Second thing, we're going to talk about tablescapes. We're going to talk about all the beautiful tablescapes that you guys see. We're going to do one for fall. We're going to show you if it's in use or not in use. What we mean by that is if you're sitting down to have Thanksgiving dinner, we're going to show you how to do that. And then if you honestly just want to leave your dining room table, if it's not in use, how to decorate it. So we have some really cool tablescapes to show you guys. So that's the second day. The third day, we are also going to do bookshelves. It's also a collection of all the things that we love, with a tray, things like that, bookshelves. So we're going to show you some different ways that you can take all the things that you love and incorporate them in your fall decor, which is so important, because you guys always tell me, oh, I go out and buy this, but I don't know what to do with it. So we're going to show you some different ideas, how to make these bookshelves, your trays and different things, how you're going to incorporate these collections of things that you love, and how to incorporate them. Whether it be a little floral, it be, a hedgehog that you guys have gotten in your decor box, all those different things, or like a pumpkin that you guys have gotten, all the different things, we're going to show you how to incorporate them in these, in your home, in a bookshelf or a tray or something like that. It's all the collections. Okay, we also got a bonus. for you as well. If you guys stay with us all week for the 3 days of the free workshop, which you've got to go get it. If you love working with or seeing us do all of our things like decorating and all the things, it's a full week, full 3 days packed, honestly, full of decorating for free. Who doesn't want that? So make sure that you share that with your friends and family. But we have a bonus. If you guys stay with us, we're going to show you how to make bows. We've never done this before. We've had a huge request for this. It's how to make the beautiful bows for your front doors and those. It looks like we're not connected, but I think you guys will get it. Okay, the link is at the top. Make sure you share this and like